from pre-existing non-living organic molecule. They told that the first form of life originated from the non-living organic non-molecules, in which they told that non-living organic molecules are protein, RNA, etc. Okay, what is chemical evolution? Chemical evolution states that life originated from inorganic molecules are changed into the organic molecule and from which the life got existed or originated. The condition for the life is that is high temperature. The temperature should be extremely high. And then the volcanic storms. Volcanoes, you know about volcanoes, the storms from the volcano and the reducing atmosphere, which consists of methane, ammonia, everything or the condition for the formation of life on the earth. This is said by the theory of chemical evolution. It is by Oparin and Haldan. Oparin was from Russia and Haldan was from England. And then Miller's experiment. Urey Miller, he was a scientist from America. He was an American scientist. He did this experiment in 1953 in his laboratory, in which he used the gases methane, hydrogen, ammonia, water vapor in a closed flask. He then, the temperature of that flask, he heated up to 800 degrees Celsius. Imagine that it is such a huge temperature. Your body temperature was around 37 degrees Celsius or the room temperature, but he heated it to 800 degrees Celsius. Such a great vast high temperature, and he discharged electrical discharge into it. From that experiment, Miller got amino acid, formation of amino acid, while other scientists they got sugars, that is ribose sugar or hexose, aldose, keto sugar, and then nitrogen bases, that is purine, pyrimidines, and the pigments, that is the chromatins, that is not the chromatins, chromatophores, that is the anthocyanin or that other pigments, and then fats. This is what others obtained from that experiment. Okay guys, then the first non-cellular life form originated about 3 billion years back. Remember this, 3 billion years back. Okay, in this sugar, nitrogen based pigment and fats, what they analyze is that they are from the meteoroid contents. Meteoroid contains these similar observations. Okay, and the first non-cellular life form was from about 3 billion years back. What are the non-cellular life include? They include the RNA, protein, that is the ribonucleic acid, protein, polysaccharides. First cellular form of life appeared 2000 million years ago. Non-cellular is billion and this is million. See how a huge vast difference. So non-cellular life form originated first. Next, the cellular life form about 2000 million years ago. Cellular life form included single cells, all life forms of the water environment, that is the aquatic environment, aquatic organism, and then it supports the theory of biogenesis. What is biogenesis? Biogenesis states that the life arises from non-living molecule. Non-living molecule, life arose. It is supported by the theory of biogenesis. Okay, and then this is all about the evolution, part 1 of evolution. Okay, I am going to give you a question. That is the question of the day. Which amino acid was not synthesized by Miller in his experiment? This question was asked in AIPMT year 2006. I repeat, which amino acid was not synthesized by Miller in his experiment? Alanine, glycine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid. The answer for this question is glutamic acid. He did not synthesized glutamic acid, but in his experiment which amino acid he synthesized? Alanine, glycine, aspartic acid. These 3 amino acids he synthesized in his laboratory except glutamic acid. And then there is no life on moon due to the absence of. Next question, there is no life on moon due to the absence of. This question was asked in AIPMT 2002. The answer for this question is, that is the oxygen or water or light temperature. What do you think? So oxygen is available, light is available, temperature it's sufficient, but water, exactly, you're right, water is not sufficient. Water is we need, you all know that we can live, anaerobic organism can live without oxygen. There are organisms which can live without light, which is the organism which can live in high temperature, both in cold and low, but every organism, the major need for their life is water. So there is no life on the moon due to the absence of water. Okay, just it's a recap of the years. That is, the age of the universe is 20 billion years, and then the earth was before 4.5 billion years ago. Life came 500 million years after the formation of earth. First cellular life form, non-cellular life form was about 3 billion years back, and the cellular life form was 2000 million years ago. This is all about evolution part 1. Do watch part 2 for further updates and information from this evolution chapter. Practice more questions. Please do like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to Study with Scarlett. Thank you all for watching this video.